Hello, Kevin and Billy. I'm going to unlock the door. Come on in. Hello.
How you doing?
Nice to see you again, Billy.
Nice to see you.
Hey,
Hello,
nice
Kevin.
To meet
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
Yeah?
Kevin, we've been working with Jim to explore all the smart technologies that can go into a house, make it as accessible as possible for our family.
Okay, you got the house ready for us?
Yeah. So we already pre-wired the home. So let's talk about all the technologies we have.
Let's see what you got.
Absolutely. Okay, so we're going to come over to our shading area. Some of them are wired, some of them are wireless. For your home, we actually wired to do wired shades everywhere.
Yeah, Jim and I have been talking about doing shades for all the bedrooms, a lot of control for the accessibility aspect of it, and some blackout stuff. How does this one work?
So this one is battery powered. So the good thing about a battery powered shade is that it's easily retrofittable for anybody. Even though they're battery powered, the batteries almost last 1.5 years without even changing them. So you don't have to worry about it. And it will actually send you an email or a text when they need to be changed.
Nice.
Okay.
Can I try it out?
Please, take the remote control. You got the drive. And if you do battery powered and you have multiple windows in a room, even when the batteries or some of them aren't fully charged and some are weaker, they're all going to be able to align together.
So this is a wired version.
Yes, so since we just looked at a very simple shade that just goes up and down, this shade has multiple options that you can do. One is the vanes are open right now, so you can kind of see what's going on outside. Vanes are closed, so it gives you privacy, but still allow light in, about 5% light in.
So essentially translucent louvers that'll open or close, but even when closed, you're still letting some light in. Oh, look at that. There's a blackout as well, huh?
So this shade's pretty special. It has multi-functions to it, and this has a blackout function. So if you want that darker room situation, that blackout just comes straight down.
That'll be perfect for a couple of people in the house.
Same functionality. If you got multiple windows, you could push one button. All the windows would either go to translucent or to blackout.
All of the vanes can open at the same time, and the blackouts can lower all at the same time. Come on over to our smart lighting section here. And I know this doesn't look great, but I know you've seen this before in a home. You know, that 6-game box that has all of the older dimmers and switches and things. And what we're trying to do is get rid of that. Now, with smart lighting technology, the dimmers and the switches can be controlled by a remote control, can be controlled by your phone, so they can be controlled different ways. Also, they can be grouped. So now instead of getting rid of all of those light switches, now we can actually group them together and make it a scene.
So you guys will actually group them together.
We program them, and then also there's some applications that the homeowner will be able to program. So now that we went over the individual lighting devices, now let's talk about how we group them together. So here we wanted to simulate what it would be maybe in your home for your kitchen or your pathway. And we put these buttons together that are laser engraved. So if I hit this top button that says morning, it actually turns on your task lighting, your overhead lighting, things that you would actually do for, you know, waking up in the morning and getting things together. And then also, if you wanted to at nighttime, you go for your evening scene.
Oh, what's going on in your house at night, Billy?
Not this, exactly.
So your evening scene can be anything, any color. It can turn on music. It can bring things all together. You can also control it by a touch panel. I'm going to bring it back into that morning scene.
That's nice. I think Michelle would really like the morning routine. And we've also, Jim and I have spoken a little bit about voice control.
Oh.
Yeah, so voice control is pretty special. It brings all of the things that we talked about. Everything will be in the voice, but we don't have to worry about using a touch panel or a wall plate or any buttons. We can just be able to speak.
So for Caffrey, voice is the ultimate accessibility.
It is.
I think it's going to work well. Yes, this is our conference room, and we're actually controlled by voice command. Nicola, meeting time.
Done.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Wait, so what did you control? Which fixtures by voice?
So with the voice control, it's actually controlling the pendant lighting, the recessed lighting, the shading like we spoke before, and the TV control.
Okay.
It brings it all together as a scene.
So for Billy's house, you could have it so that Caffrey can say bedroom on or hallway on, kitchen on as he moves from one space to the next?
Yes, you can actually customize anything that you want.
And so who does that programming? Do you guys have to come back, or can Billy do it? Or
All of the commands are in the system.
All right, well, Jim, I appreciate you showing us around.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jim.
I really appreciate the time.
So what is it, Nicola? Lights off. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.